Hello friends, how are you? I wish you all the best known sake. This video is about the voice changer. I will show you which voice changer is the best voice changer for all sounds. In Play Store there are a lot of voice changers that you can use it, but there is some problems in the voice changer. Some of them are not change voice of everything, and some of them have just 3 or 4 sounds. But today I will show you the best voice changer that you can use it for every sound and for every voice. Please watch the video to the end and like the video and subscribe our channel for more skills videos. Let's start. My friends, you can use this voice changer for every voices or sounds. This is very good voice changer that I use it too. Now let's open it and how can we use it. I will teach you how can we use it for voices. First, open your voice changer. For opening, just press or click on this application. Then come to the record in audio. If you want to record your sound now, just click on record in audio by one click. My record does not work because I opened the screen recorder for your videos. Now my voice changer does not work, does not record because I opened the screen recorder, and one phone cannot do 2 records in 2 applications. So of that I recorded without screen recorder, and now I will play you my record. Here is a lot of sounds. Look at, you can use every sound from here. Okay my friends, I will open my record in normal form. The first one is the normal form. Please listen it. This is the normal form, and I will change my voice to other sound. Please look to the first one. It was the normal, and look to the first one. What a sound. And listen to the second one, and you can use every sound, you can use every one from here. For example, this is the stereo sound that a lot of people use it for Holy Quran sound. You can use it too. Please listen it. What a sound! Isn't it beautiful sound? Of course, yes. If you want to save your sound, please click on save. Okay, save. Then where can I find my sound that I saved here? You can find it in saved audio. Saved audio. Click here, and the first one is your sound. Click here, then play it. This was your sound, and you can delete it from here, and you can edit here. I will delete my sound. Delete. Click delete. Okay. Okay, my friends. This was the video. I wish you like and learn something from this video. And for more skills videos, subscribe our channel, Good Morning YouTube channel. And for more skills videos, stay with us. For now, it's enough, and see you next time. Goodbye.